Our interest changes over time, from this to this. But there are something that never change. Today I'm gonna share with you 5 different things as a doodle form which are very close to my heart from my childhood. Number 1, books. From my childhood days, whether I am happy or sad, books are always my good friends, mentor and guide. I love reading both fictional and non-fictional books. Currently I am reading Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl, which is an autobiography of Holocaust survivor in World War II and how he found true meaning in his life. This is an absolute read for everyone who is true book lover. Number 2, photography. I have immense attraction for art from my childhood. This navigated to a deep passion as the form of photography when I bought my first camera 10 years back. Since then, wherever I go, my DSLR or my iPhone camera is my true companion. You can check my photographs in Instagram at Click by Soumi account. I'll share the link below. Number 3, travel. I was 3 years old when I went for my first outing with my family. The place was Darjeeling in Himalayan mountain. Since then, I have traveled many places in India, US and UK. But my best traveling destination is always India, my homeland. I wish when everything will settle down, I would find myself again venturing to new destinations with my camera boundlessly. Number 4, music. If you are a 90s kid like me, then I bet you haven't forgot about the old-fashioned tape recorder. My love for music started from there. I still can remember how I used a pencil to roll back the tapes inside a cassette available back then. The love is still same, only the form has changed with technology over time. While I continue to draw this one, I sincerely thank you all who already have subscribed to my channel, as recently I have reached my 100 subscriber milestone. Those who are still watching but not subscribed yet, I'll request you to please do the same if you like this video. Also please hit the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I put any video on my channel. Thank you so much. So let's continue. The last but not the least is chocolate. What can I say about this yummy element? Dark brown or white, whatever the color is, I can have them all at any point of time. But I love the chocolate most when I used to snatch them from my childhood best friend. Yet she never forgets to bring me one when we meet in present days. Hope you have enjoyed this video as I did. If so, please let me know in the comment section which of my interest matches with you and how it has brought you back to your childhood. Please like, comment and subscribe to share your love. Until next time, stay happy, live creatively. Goodbye.